Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to put custom seed in Aternos server. So let's get started. Go to your browser and search Minecraft custom seed. Click on this website. Copy your desired Minecraft world seed. Now go to Aternos official website. Then log in to your Aternos account. Navigate to your server dashboard. Now click on File section on the left side. Click on Server Properties. Now find Seed section. Paste your copied seed here. Then click on Save. Now start the server. Go back to the game. Then open your world. As you can see, this is our new Minecraft world. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.